Hey guys, welcome back to Sonic World. So today, Nikesh is going to solve 3x3 full Rubik's Cube. So he have practiced how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So he's gonna solve. We are gonna see how many minutes he's gonna solve it. Oh my gosh, you are solving before I start the stopwatch. Okay. Okay, I need to open the stopwatch. Timer. Clock. Okay. Okay. Okay, we are gonna start the stopwatch. Okay, be ready, but don't. Okay, ready. I'm sorry. 3, 2, 1, start. Why did you start first? You didn't start? Oh, I start. Okay. Okay. 9 seconds. 10 seconds. Don't tell like that. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. My scene is typing. Oh, it's finished now. Okay, he solved in 1 minute 34 seconds. Not bad, Nikesh. It's nice. Okay? Okay, you can see. He solved this cube. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to solve. I'm going to be solving Rubik's Cube in only 1 minute. So okay, in only like 60 seconds. Okay, so see his timer. I'm going to take a screen. Okay, so if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and like and share. And see you next video.